All right, what's going on, strugglers? Welcome to another trade recap. So today I'm gonna go over the trade that I took today, and fortunately it was a nice win. So yeah, let's get right to it. So coming into today on NQ, I was pretty bearish, honestly, and the reason for that is that, as you can see, we inversed these 4 hour fair value gaps. So basically, I'm just looking to target this for our low, this for our low as well. But first of all, before targeting potentially these lows, right? As you can see, after disrespecting these for our fair gaps, we formed these ones right here, this one right here. And coming into the AM session, as you can see, we went higher during London session and we target at 4 fair value gap. So basically my target was this low right here. So from this fair value gap to this swing low right here. So this line right here was my draw on liquidity for the day. Also, another conviction that made me a little bit more confidence is that we had a daily fair value gap right here. And so yeah, I was just basically bearish for today. And honestly, like right before AM session, like I'm gonna be honest, I already wanted to sell. Like I think we were right here. I basically just wanted to sell and put my stop loss like something like this. So just put my stop loss there and let the AM session do whatever it wants. I was so confident on that drawn liquidity, and that's what I did first. I actually entered like a couple of minutes before pre-market, but then I closed the trade instantly because I told myself, you know what, ES right here, as you can see at 9:30, we could potentially go higher to sweep these equal highs right there, and that's exactly what we did. So once market open, we went higher on ES, tap into that, we like barely tap into that high, but at the same time we formed an SMT with NQ. So like that was already confirmation for me that like I had all the like conviction to go lower. And as you can see right here, as soon as we like formed this wick, I was just calculating the micro contracts, like I was ready to get in, and I got filled right there, and price just instantly went lower. It was absolutely beautiful. Like all these lows, all these Asia session lows were low resistance liquidity run. Another conviction was that as you can see, we had this bullish order flow in the form of this 1 hour fair value gap. We tapped in, swept the high right there, not swept it instantly, but we took out the high and then formed the reaction down, which told me that we are sweeping this high right here. Like we can see it more clearly on the 15-minute right there, struggling to go higher right there, displacing lower, right? So we then form these 15-minute gaps right here, continuing lower, forming another 15-minute gaps. Like I had like 10 reasons today why I would go lower. And yeah, as you can see, like we like kind of ran this low, and this was pre-market open. So like we're not forming another fair value gap. So this tell me that we might go higher first, sweep some highs right there. We formed that SMT. As soon as I saw this displacement, like I just click sell, and like I had a big stop loss, just aiming for that 1 to 2 right there. I was basically aiming for that low, but I'm gonna be honest, like we first of all made this huge wick, and then I was a little bit like suspicious, like is price going to reverse and actually go higher. I just stayed patient, and as you can see, for 15, 30, 45, 1 hour, I stayed patient and waited for like price to go lower. Like I swear to God, for 1 hour, I was just looking price, waiting. Is it going to bounce off of this swing low right here, sweep this internal low, and then go higher? Are we going to inverse that gap? So this like gap was my kind of last line of defense, right? If we had inversed that 15-minute gap, then I was potentially look to target higher, but like we never did that. We just consolidated a little bit, and then that was on ES. It showed me confirmation that we're going lower again with this 15-minute gap right here, and I think that's a 5-minute SMT right there. So basically ES comes into the 15-minute bearish gap right here on NQ. As you can see right here, we formed this beautiful SMT right there, which honestly could have been another sell. Like if I had missed that, this sell right here into the daily bullish gap would have been perfect. Like everything was just perfect today, honestly. Like for me, it was such a clean price action on a higher time frame. So yeah, that's basically it for today. And honestly, like I think today we're Wednesday. Last Monday and Tuesday, I remember I had taken like 2 or 3 losses per day. Like it was bad. It was really bad. Like every time that I had lost, I would just take another trade, and it would really fuck me up mentally. Like I would just continue trading after losing. And I remember like last Tuesday, I had taken 3 losses during that day, and I remember because it was the day before FOMC or NFP, and last Wednesday I decided to take the day off to just reflect because I had taken so many losses, and that's when I told myself, just stick to one trade a day for now. Like I'm still a beginner in futures. I need to build conviction. I need to build confidence. I need to build data. So I just need to take one trade a day. And by taking one trade a day, it kind of forces me to stay patient, because it's like I have just one bullet to fire, and I need to be patient to wait for the perfect moment, the perfect price action to show me where to enter, right? And because the thing is that before, when I would take multiple trades a day, it, it would kind of force me to take dumb setups. Like on the 1 minute, I would be so stuck in a 1 minute, and as you can see right there, like on the 4 hour, it was so clear for me that we're targeting this low. So like it was just easy from there to just enter off the 15 minute. I didn't even need to touch the 1 minute. Like I stayed in the 15 minute during the whole session. I stayed in the 15-minute time frame, and I'm so proud of that, because like I would stick to the 1 minute and be so confused of what's happening. So basically, uh since Wednesday, like I think I'm 3 for 4. It's absolutely nothing. Like I managed to crawl out of a drawdown, as you can see. Well, sorry, I managed to crawl out of the drawdown, but since Wednesday I'm 3 for 4, and it's absolutely nothing. But it just helps me mentally, man. Just taking one trade a day. When I lose, I just step off the charts and come back tomorrow. Like that's it. I just need one trade a day. But yeah, by doing that and by sticking to the higher time frame, these two things, like I'm already seeing some improvement. Now I'm not saying that I'm gonna become profitable all of a sudden. Like I might take fucking 3 losses like the next few trades. I'm just saying like I feel much better psychologically just staying on the higher time frame and taking one trade a day. So I'm gonna focus on doing that and building these good habits, and just stick to the process, man. Like it's really hard, but I'm trying not to focus on the money, on trying to pass an account. Like it's hard because, like honestly, like social media also, I keep seeing people making like thousands of dollars, and it makes me kind of feel insecure, honestly, because even though I'm winning, like I'm not winning anything, but like in the moment I feel so good, so satisfied, but then going online and seeing all these people like making so much money like makes me insecure, where I'm not supposed to feel insecure. Like I'm making small progress, but I'm basing off my trading with other people that are like 5 6 years in. So yeah, honestly, social media is a whole nother story. I don't want to yap too much, but that was the trade recap for today. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one, probably tomorrow or after tomorrow. Peace out.